Python check for NoneType not working. I'm trying to check whether an object has a NoneType before checking its length. For this, I've done an if statement with an OR operator. As far as I can tell, the object CTS will be checked if it's none, and if it is, the length check won't run. However, the following error happens if CTS is none. Type error column object of type NoneType has no len. Does Python check both expressions in an if statement, even if the first is true?
In Python, is a bitwise OR. You want to use a logical OR here.
You can also use